Okay guys, welcome back. Let's see how this presentation slide look like. You see it's pretty amazing and it's good effect. You can use it and also I like it. Now let's see how we can create this effect. Okay, let's start. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We have many other things like this in our channel. At first we need to insert these shapes here. You see, after I inserting them, I just simply need them to make them the same size. I insert this thing and make them the same size. Okay, you see, they are the same size. Now I put it in the center and then make this thing go around it. Okay. After making them go around it, I just simply change them by the ones that has the font and the color. You maybe ask why, because I don't want to waste your time. I use them, but you see we have some, I don't like it. They are not beautiful looking. And can you guess why this is happening? Its answer is really simple, because the slide is not wide, has not tall enough to everything be fit and all. Okay, we create this thing. Now we need to create the, I don't know what happened. Now we need to create this Road to Success title here. We paste it, but I don't like the format and how it looks. What I'm going to do, I'm going to at first delete this thing to align it center, and then raise it R and this S. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to shape format and using something, I say more casual. Why casual? Because it's always the beautifully things become from the simpleness. It's simple, more simple your text, your word, everything look better. Okay, we create it. Now we need to bring it to front. Now we copy the slide, just simply select all of them by Ctrl A and go here and align them center and align them middle. Now just simply set the transition to morph. Let's see how our slide look like. You see, it's pretty amazing. I really like how beautiful it looked like. If you like my contents, please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will help you between 1 or 2 days. Have a nice time.